Alright homies, welcome back to Boots and Barrio. So today we're actually going to be packing some boots to ship out. And we're going to be packing a Tony Lama gold label. This is considered to be an elephant ear. So made from the ear of an elephant. Most elephant you won't see this type of scarring. So that's how you can tell it's an elephant. It's an elephant ear. That scarring is a very particular to this leather, to this part of the elephant. And an interesting fact, this was made in the 80s. An interesting fact about these elephant ear is, from what I read in the research and what I learned, is that the color or the dye of the boot was really hard to make pop out in the elephant ear. So what they did is they actually did like a print over it to get these markings, this little like shape patterned. That's what I read. I don't know how true it is, but that's what I read. But what is true is those scarrings, those little stretch marks, those little lines. That's elephant ear. That's the characteristic of elephant ear. Normal elephant or typical elephant that you see often is this pebbling. You often see this pebbling, and this is pretty normal. Like, this is like pretty much what you see everywhere all the time. This is an Akona boot. I really love this boot. This boot fits amazing. This is one of my favorite boots right now. All my boots are my favorite boots, as you can tell. But this one didn't fit as great as I would like to. The vamp was a little tight on me. So that's why I decided to sell it. And I just want you to notice the difference in characteristics. You see, like, this one doesn't have the same type of scarring as the gold label Tony Lama. But the other part is, it also depends on what part of the elephant it is. So this one I got custom fitted by David's Boots. So this one, the homie was telling me that it's probably from the armpit area where there's a bunch of folds. I was like, I don't know, homie. Like, I'm not an elephant expert, but this is a different texture that it has. But this is what people look for a lot, is these cracking. That's kind of like what people really gravitate towards. But with this one's real special just because elephant ear. There's not a lot of ear on an elephant. There's more of the other pieces. So this is why this one was considered to be a gold label in the research that I found. And one thing you do want to look for always is the black label tags, because this lets you know what years it was made. Newer Tony Lamas have they're just stamped like the newest ones, but in the 90s they had the white label on the pull tab. And yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and pack this one up and get ready to ship out. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned. I got more boots and everything up on my eBay. So my pre-band boots, though, they go on my website because of eBay doesn't allow you to post those up. But thanks again for watching. Make sure you comment, like, share, subscribe. Say goodbye to this nice, beautiful boot. Ya nos despedimos de esta bota. It's been good. It's been real good. Love his boot. too. We use boxes here.